Hi there. In this demo, we're going to show you Azure Container Apps. This is the container app, and it is based on this particular image, ACR boot container, which is in the Azure Container Registry, which is this screen. We have a repository here, and this is the image we have. The key configuration I can say is when it comes to the ingress, you have to enable traffic from everywhere and make sure that 8080 is available, and this is the endpoint. So yeah, I already opened it here, so I'm not going to click on it. um, and let's go to the logs. So log stream, it says it's scaled to 0, which is fantastic. So if I click, here we go, we have, and we definitely should have an instance running. That's it. This is Azure Container Apps, making use of an Azure Container Registry and a Spring Boot application running here.